Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Fifth Third Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a 53.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Fifth Third Bank, you need to click on the login option on top right corner. To get logged in into the online banking account of Fifth Third Bank, you need to provide user ID and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged into your online banking account. As we are going to get registered, we need to click on first time user register. Click on it. Register for online banking. Here, once you are at the registration page, you need to confirm that you have any kind of checkings, express checkings, savings, debit card on Fifth Third Bank. If you have it, then you click on yes. For the first time registration online banking on Fifth Third Bank, you will need to have your Fifth Third debit card, ATM card number and credit card number. And for the password, you need to have either ATM pin or temporary pin. Here you click on login. Now then you go in for choosing your account type by just clicking on the drop down menu. That is either online banking or commercial banking, as I am going with the online banking. At the empty text field of user ID, you will need Fifth Third Bank debit number, ATM card number or credit card number. And in password, you need to either input ATM pin or temporary pin for the password to get login. After you click on login, you will be registered to the Fifth Third online banking account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get sign up for a online banking account on Fifth Third Bank. Thank you.